Welcome to Bank and Balance, your go-to channel for all things finance, investing, and business. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on practical advice that can transform your financial future. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's also saving for their dream home. Today, we're diving into one of the most important and exciting financial goals: saving money to buy a house. Owning your own home is not just a financial milestone but also a deeply personal achievement that can provide security, stability, and a sense of accomplishment. However, it's no secret that saving for a house can feel overwhelming. Between rising property prices and everyday expenses, it might seem like an impossible dream. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan and actionable steps to get you closer to your dream home. Let's start with the most fundamental step: understanding how much you actually need to save. Buying a house involves more than just the purchase price. You'll need to account for the down payment, closing costs, and any additional expenses like property inspections or moving fees. For example, if you're eyeing a $200,000 home and your goal is to save a 20% down payment, you'll need $40,000. Add another $5,000 to $10,000 for closing costs and miscellaneous expenses, and your total savings target could be around $50,000. The key to reaching this goal is to break it down into manageable chunks. Let's say you want to buy a house in 5 years. Divide your $50,000 target by 60 months, and you'll need to save approximately $833 per month. While this number might still seem daunting, we'll explore strategies to make it achievable. First, let's talk about creating a budget. A budget is the backbone of any successful savings plan. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Use tools or apps that make budgeting easier, such as Mint, Unab, or a simple spreadsheet. Identify areas where you can cut back. For instance, if you're spending $200 a month on dining out, consider reducing it to $50 and putting the rest into your house savings fund. Small adjustments like these can add up significantly over time. Another essential step is to open a dedicated savings account specifically for your house fund. Keeping this money separate from your everyday accounts will reduce the temptation to dip into it for other expenses. Look for a high-yield savings account that offers competitive interest rates. This way, your money can grow while you're saving. Automate your savings by setting up a direct transfer from your checking account to your savings account every month. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense, just like paying rent or a utility bill. Now, let's explore ways to boost your income. Increasing your earnings can accelerate your savings significantly. Consider taking on a side hustle or freelance work in your spare time. Popular options include online tutoring, graphic design, content writing, or selling handmade products. If you're already employed, think about asking for a raise or looking for opportunities to advance in your career. Even a small increase in your monthly income can make a big difference when it's channeled into your savings. At the same time, be mindful of avoiding common money traps. Lifestyle inflation, or the tendency to spend more as you earn more, can sabotage your savings efforts. For example, if you get a raise, resist the urge to upgrade your phone or splurge on a luxury vacation. Instead, commit to saving the extra income. Similarly, steer clear of impulsive purchases. Before buying something non-essential, ask yourself if it aligns with your bigger goal of buying a house. Another critical aspect of saving for a house is reducing your debt. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances, can eat into your savings. Focus on paying off these debts as quickly as possible. Use methods like the snowball or avalanche approach to systematically eliminate what you owe. Once you're debt-free, you'll have more room in your budget to save for your home. Let's not forget about leveraging any government programs or grants that can assist first-time homebuyers. Many countries offer schemes to help people achieve home ownership, such as down payment assistance, tax credits, or subsidized loans. Do some research to find out what programs are available in your area and whether you qualify. These resources can significantly ease the financial burden of buying a house. Now, let's talk about the emotional side of saving. Staying motivated over the long term can be challenging, especially when the goal feels far away. One way to stay on track is to visualize your dream home. Create a vision board with pictures of houses you love, or save photos in a dedicated album on your phone. Whenever you feel tempted to stray from your savings plan, look at these images to remind yourself why you're making sacrifices. Another powerful motivator is celebrating small milestones. For example, if your goal is to save $50,000, break it into $5,000 increments. Each time you reach one of these mini goals, reward yourself with something small but meaningful, like a nice dinner or a new book. These rewards can keep you motivated without derailing your progress. Throughout this journey, it's essential to stay patient and consistent. Building significant savings takes time, and there will be moments when it feels like you're not making enough progress. But remember, every little bit you save brings you closer to your goal. Focus on the long-term rewards rather than short-term setbacks. Before we wrap up, let's recap the key points. Start by determining how much you need to save and break it down into monthly targets. Create a budget, open a dedicated savings account, and automate your contributions. Look for ways to increase your income and cut unnecessary expenses. Avoid lifestyle inflation and impulsive spending. Pay off high-interest debts and explore any government programs that can assist you. Finally, stay motivated by visualizing your dream home and celebrating small milestones along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with anyone who's also dreaming of buying a house. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Bank and Balance for more tips and strategies to achieve your financial goals. Let us know in the comments how you're planning to save for your home, or if you have any tips to share with our community. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep building your bank and balancing your life.